Guess whose feet is already?
I know, I've had some water droplets. Oh yeah, isn't there a drop coming up right here? Oh god, I'm scared. I'm scared. Holding my bag. Oh. Whoa.
You don't have far to go. Tell the people mama told you so.
Oh no. Here we go, Mary. First drop. Oh my god. Woo. The beaver! A bunny, Mary!
I know. You all been enjoying the bed, sure.
You were right! The Bayou's got just what we needed!
Uh-oh, second drop, Mary.
Look at that little bear.
Oh.
Oh, look at
His tail.
They sure can play, but we gotta keep searching high and low.
Oh no, oh no, 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 oh no, oh god. Oh god. Oh man, we're getting lucky, I think. We'll see what happens on the main chop. Big frog. Oh god, ah! No!
I like that guy.
Why is that doing nothing?
But you found the sound? That was crazy.
Oh, look at it. Wow. Going up, man.
Get your head again, cause the bigger you are,
Whoa.
the bigger the splash you'll make in the pond.
Oh, hi!
You'll get there in no time.
did that too. I was like, oh no.
Again!
Oh yeah, we're not soaked. How are you? I'm damp.
My feet are wet though.
I'm just damp. I could just use a towel to dry off. Whoa, what is that? Yes.
Whoa. Did you like when I told them
Yes.
not to show? I told them not to show in there.
I know. I wonder what she was doing.
Oh, watching cameras. I looked into her office. Making sure none of it's actionable. No, sit down.
Yeah, sit down.
Sit down.
I I literally feel like I'm still wearing my Mickey hat, ears hat. Whoa! Beaver!
Oh, look at that frog. Oh, this is cute.
Yes, it's cute. There's animatronics at least. Ooh, beignets, Mary. Those were beignets. I want beignets.
Please remain seated until your boat returns to the dock. Then grab your belongings.